Biga tabane vitaun bekalam bita moya hazi ane jai min hilla o majin vida kakin bita kwam bitana bisai wada yau mawajinin kullu kaman tabani shadidi hakuma bitana keda sai
Lo juga, lo makan lah. Paling dia, paling dia ya durian kayak apa? Ini, betul Allah. Yang lain, ciran je. Jauh, saya mesti juga. Durian. Go jam. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, John Liston.
Rin chưa nó cho nó quả nhà mình chưa quả lại anh được cho nên thì chưa có chứ cái tu cái này chứ nào được cái giờ đã riêng bài lối à bố ơi cái gì đó chứ giờ riêng chưa à ý cái bài là bố thì chúng mình nghe chứ mà rồi để em phải nhớ còn lên nhớ lại đấy chứ cái gì yêu ai cho thì ăn rồi à cái nào vậy nãy là chín nhà lấy con riêu bây giờ đủ riêu bây giờ cái à bố cái phiếu ấy là rồi ngày nay rồi à cái
aciran ini
muncul anak kok kecil anh em mình mà tôi cái gì của cha thì cái diar cái rồi anh nhìn cái rồi à chế jar vậy muk là pan nhá cái rồi ai nhau cái tiền cái gà anh em cái tiền muk cái tiền cái chế cái quậy kurin cha mo India kurin cha ka cha dong pen an le nya talwe
we cha ga ber mo ani chol ding ma building an man board ne ki jaman tin the situation chi baila tin che man chi we ting gol ne pana kimlom blar suglom e char no mti tin ne ka ti chirana ben chen jal kutin lekin ke dir wo ga man wakawa ne mina to kam ni tieng ter ke ne mina akwai rupiya ko wala nam tula kanisa ka sikrol etene won chan la wato ko yoy te be guri ya bete betwal sukul bore kene borbi kujela kanisa o sherka piu kujela musajfa kutungen ya kujal enti wacha kanyi mana etu kunku panakim kujela su lanu panakim na chiran bay kalere aringa kem yetin kor be ditu aringa kem eni ke chak de ne biag de pir e maror na chintida yela ki ag ting la bene piaw gol min hay machwar la leg yak hay fan jak la negil a chemdir lang bar rek malaw ran ga dia apiu e ki bene runa chin ke lebelwel ke lebelim tin ko ka kumada na non koñ kamiti chirmi so charnam ke e ka kor koñ e ka kor koñ min to won bi ke la chimet de gishay la piu chigade la ngochi man chiwe ka woyi TV akor biga tieng musada yera antoke man bai to fi junub Sudan ka to ager ka kor bayin wel pan bor marhala chi pan bor latin e koy ke akor koñ yen ke chagde e piu ke kun yat ke tin gere ke biga lo ede la miadu akor biga tieng ki chi bot benang bot ben ka tawtin ye gran bitem gol yar ke tem gari nyaran bula mangala ke lo ke chat ko ju ya ga tin to ne ke a che ran bene nong chin gri ko ju ko mana masakin arer min to ngel ranun nya dur pande a chin ki chen men de sef kuna to nong bai wotania ko we ko kwan ka kuma ko mi da ka kwan to ager wel ko wen pan bor akor kwan e chi piu we chi jor ko we cha kale
agan karo ke ka jelu wa ka piorier bai ni he pana kim adom piu ko le ko adwal wako etu maror dom piu ko ajel kana chin te berwa mizio kwa chin te lui wa ila chin ha ke kero ko anyi ke jong le ni chin te den ber ko ngoza liu yerga ebale ya kuma binyi man kawo ala pana kim mane akor bi cha tem ko na le pana kim ko kon yo ko ta pana kim bi lo ade wo kori wa bu gwajan wedi el ka ni chola rona yue
marks the meeting between the partners that is the government, UNMIS and NGOs, international NGOs and local NGOs, how to maintain dike in Bor town, because most of the population has been displaced and they are going away because the highlands have become limited, so nowhere to stay. So that is why they were called, so that they make their inputs. They did it very well, and each has got a duty to go and do from now. So in simple words, we have tackled the problem. We are actually tackling the problem of accommodation, problem of transport, problem how to support the dike in maintaining it.
Thank you very much, SSBC and all the media houses. Today, as you heard from the acting SG, there has been a very devastating situation that we are trying to address here. Last night, the dike got broken and it flooded almost 65% of the area of the town. And this became a very, very bad disaster that we are experiencing at the moment. And where we are standing at the moment is the office of the governor. You can see it's flooded. All the government offices are flooded. All the areas in town are flooded. And as you can see, people in front of the governor's house are waiting here to cross to Minkaman, Mangala and Juba and beyond. This is a very, very catastrophic situation that all of us need to pay attention. And today, as mentioned by SG, we had a meeting with our partners, WAP, UNIMIS, IOM, who have a capacity to be able to support in terms of dike construction. As of now, the government has proposed 4 main areas of dike construction. The primary dike, which is in the western part of the town, directly on the riverbanks. The secondary dike, which is going to the north, and the other one to the south, and the other one run all the way from the east. So these 4 areas are the areas where we are receiving a lot of water. Another water comes from the Nile River. Another flooding is coming from the east, from the Greater Pibor administrative area direction. So water is coming from all directions and it's creating a very big disaster. As mentioned earlier, the flood has reached a level of being a catastrophic disaster to the states. This morning, we got a report and we confirmed this afternoon that 2 children got drowned last night. A child of 14 years and another child of 13 years. This indicates that the magnitude of the flood now taking life is no longer a displacement, it's getting people's lives away. So we are trying to respond in our capacity, but we appeal also to the national government to be able to come in and come to our rescue, because this has overpowered the little capacity that the state have at the moment. So I'm appealing to our state government, to our national government, and the wider international community to be able to come to our rescue. Thank you very much.
My name is Samuel Manyok. I work for Flood Management Initiative. We are supporting the efforts of the government here and the local community. The youth has been very, very active since the start of this flooding. In July, we have been providing materials for dike construction, rehabilitation, and food for them. In addition to that, as FMI, we have availed an excavator that has been working to support broken parts of the dike. Unfortunately, this is not enough. As you can see, the water level has risen so high and has overpowered all the resources and efforts of everyone. However, we are not giving up. We are going to protect important installations of the government here, the government premises, the most important one, the market and the hospital. Other partners are joining hands, and we hope we should be able to do something for our people. We, however, appeal for support from everyone so that we can do something. There is much more water coming ahead in November, and it can be more dangerous than this. Thank you.
Yeah.